All right, guys. So here's where we left off the last time in the previous video. We're gonna continue building our project here. So let me just go back to our what is it? To our text editor. Okay, go back to our text editor and just take a look here at our text, our page, our code, and let's open once again Opera, see what we have, and let's bring up our reference. Okay, we also need this this title here, and we are gonna also need some other text after that. So I'm just gonna go back and let's actually keep doing this. We need another H. Another, I think that was in H3 instead of H1. I think that was in H3. And then we're gonna compare and see how big they are. Of course, H1 is bigger than H2 and H3, stuff like that. So we're gonna say cool stuff here. Cool stuff. You know, this is just really what I was just doing this, you know, off the top of my head. So, and after that we have some other text. It's a P tag. Let's say lorem. Hit tab. Sorry guys. Tab, and let's do another lorem. I think, yeah. Save that. Go back. Refresh, and there you go. Okay, this looks very, very ugly, but I mean, of course, we're starting to build a website, right? I mean, we can navigate to different pages now and stuff like that, so looks cool, huh? Next thing, let's actually start styling this page. Let's start by styling this page, or we can go to our second page and put the image there. What do you guys think? Okay, let's start. Let's just do one thing at a time. So let's just style this one. Let's actually put this some color. Put some color in this guy. Let's go back. This is our H1 right here. And the way you do this is basically, you know, using the style attribute. Okay, so style. I'm gonna say style and say color and colon. And what I'm gonna do is what's the color? I think that's blue, right? Yeah, blue. And we also gonna need background color. Yeah, background color, and background color, I think it's gray. I think, yeah, gray. And we are also going to need the text align. Now you guys don't have to really worry about this this syntax here, like blue color, black background color and stuff like that. We're gonna talk about this once we get into CSS, into the CSS. So the cascading style sheets, we're gonna talk about that in the next videos. Right now, let's just try to copy this and see if you guys can change different colors and see what comes out in your page. Okay, see what results you guys get. So text align, I'm just gonna say center. Now we have center, we have end, start, and something like that. So I think it left or right, I don't know, I just forgot the syntax, but you guys can actually look it up to see what you guys come up with. So if I refresh the page, now we have something like this. If we go back and look at our, you know, our reference here, our guide, now you can see it actually look pretty similar. So now I think we have to style this guy here, and in order for us to do that is basically by taking a look at our text here. Yeah, this is actually starting to be really confusing. Okay, here we have our P tag, so we're gonna style this, and once again we need to use the style attribute, and I think it has a color or something. No, just font size. So the font size, I set it to 20 pixels. Once again, this you don't have to really worry about CSS right now. If you don't understand it, then it's cool, but if you understand it, then it's also cool. I'm gonna be talking about this in my next videos. Now go back, refresh. Now it's starting to look. Now see the difference here. Font size is basically how big you want the text to be. Okay, so that's basically how you want your font to be, the text inside that P tag. Okay, so we're gonna also put the same here for this text. Let's go back. Look at our second P. It's right here. Now with classes, this would have been much easier. Font size, and once again I'm gonna say 20 pixels. So, and now if we go back, I have to keep refreshing this. Okay, so yeah, it's cool. Next, we have to do the same here for this guy. We have to centralize it and put some color in it. Let's go back. This is the job, guys. This is your job. Say style. Start with font size, not font size. Start with color. Set it blue, and or maybe light blue. I don't know. I think it's blue, but I'm just gonna use light blue. And so background color, say light gray. Oops, background color. Okay, light gray, and also we're gonna do text align and set it to center. Okay, once again go back, refresh. Now it looks really small. It looks really small. You can't really see. That's because of the color, I guess. So let's go back and change the color. Where's that? There you go. Let's remove the light and set it just to blue. Save that. Go back, refresh, and now it's cool. Okay, so we're almost done with our first page here. Let's go back to let's actually style this guy. We want this to look better, and the way we're gonna do that is basically, where is that? The link. So that's the link here. What we're gonna do, we want to style this guy. The way we're gonna do it is basically just by putting some H3 here. Okay, say H3. Oops, H3, and close this tag. We want to style it, so let's actually start to style this H3. Let's say style. Let's actually put some colors. Say red, and yeah, that's it. And actually, let's close this H3 tag that we opened here. So say H. Oops, we have to close it, and there you go. Let's go back, refresh, and boom. Okay, so if we click here, we'll be taken to our second page. If we click here, then we're back to our first page. Okay, so our project is starting to look similar to what we have here, which is pretty cool. Click here, take into the second page, and if you get to the second page, then you have this cool image, which is still loading. Okay, this cool image, and some text at the very bottom. Okay, and this text here. Minimize that. Now let's work on our second page. Okay, so on our second page, what is this? Okay, actually get rid of that. I don't like that. It's making things difficult for me here. Okay, let's go to our second page. And on our second page, we have this link. Okay, but this is not the first thing that we want. The first thing we want, obviously, is in H1. And we want to say this is, can't type today. This is my second page, not my first. Second page. Okay, save that. Go back. Go back. Now click here. Let's actually keep it right here. Make it smaller so you guys can not be scared. This is my second page. Okay, so cool, but we need to style it also. So let's put some style. Let's say style, and I think the color is red, I guess. And we need also text align. Oops, text align to be center. I can't type today, guys. Sorry. And also the background color. I think it's I don't know, I forgot. Let's just say gray. I don't know. Let's just save. Let's go back. Boom. Refresh, and there you go. Now I think this is not the text colored background that we have in this one. Okay, that's aqua. I like actually aqua. So let's just change the background color to aqua. Okay, there you go. Save. Go back. This is a very strenuous exercise, huh? Okay, cool. Now, next thing is the image that we're gonna need. How to put an image inside your web page. Okay, this is actually pretty simple. So okay, here we're just gonna say image img. Okay, hit tab, boom, and we need to give it a source. So where is our image? Our image is in the same folder that this page is, and the name of the image is image.jpg. And if we save that and go back, refresh, now look at something that's going to happen. This image is actually showing, but because the image is way too big, look at this. Look at this. It's the same image. Like, this is not what we want. And I can't even scroll. Like, my fingers are hurting right now. I have to do something here. And basically what I have to do is very simple. Just come here and say width. And let's set it to 60% or something like that. I don't know, 60% of the web page. Okay, of the page. And we also want the height. Okay. And let's set that to, I don't know, what? 500 pixels. I don't know. Let's test and see. Let's go back. Boom. Refresh the page. And let's see what we have now. It's waiting for the image to load. Okay, we have something like that. Not bad, but still way too big. So we want to make this smaller. So let's just say 450 pixels. Now, if we go back, refresh the page, now we have something like what? Like what? Like, come on, man. Okay, there you go. Let's make this smaller so you guys can see. Boom. Okay, still way too tall. Let's go back, make this even smaller. Where's that? Okay, right here. Let's make this 350 pixels. Okay, go back, refresh. Okay, now I think it's okay, but it's still way too tall. We don't want an image way too tall. Okay, let's actually go to 300, and here let's go to 55%. Save. You gotta keep testing this, guys. This is what we do, right? As web developers, this is definitely what we do, and you're gonna be doing this for the rest of your life. Okay. Okay. Now we have this. Now you can see this tag just came here, which is not something that we want. We're gonna do this in the next video. So guys, keep watching until the next video, and we're gonna continue building this nice project, which is definitely gonna look something like this cool page here, where you click and go to the home page, and click here, go to the second page. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be building, guys, and we're gonna continue to build in the next video. So make sure to continue watching. Okay. See you.